How to invite friends on eToro. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can invite friends on eToro to join into the platform. By inviting your friends, you can earn rewards or bonuses when your friends sign up and start trading with your invitation. So here's how you do it. First of all, launch open any web browser and type in etoro.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged into your eToro.com account. And once you're logged in, from the left-hand side menu, click on the Invite Friends button. And on the next page, you'll see a Copy Link button. Click on that link, and you'll be able to copy your invitation link to your device's clipboard. Once you have this link copied, you can go ahead and share it via email, social media, or messaging application, and choose the friend you want to invite. You can also use the other button that says Invite Friends and then select the social media platform from where you want to add friends or share your invite link with. You just need to find your contact after selecting one of these social media applications and you'll be able to send them the invite. Your friend must register using your referral link and complete their account setup to qualify for the reward. So that's how you easily invite friends in eToro.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.